In this video, we will explore about the tool Easy Test Maker. Easy Test Maker is an online test generator to help you to create and manage your test. Before proceeding to the demo, we will see some features of this tool. So the first thing is, as the name suggests, it is very easy to use. You can have all question types. You can have multiple choice questions, filling the blanks, matching short answers like that. You can see the answer sheets of your students. You can have multiple sections. You can renumber your questions. There are, for a free version, you can have 25 test limit and you can have 25 results stored at one time. These are the features available for the free version. Some more advanced features are available for the paid version. Now we will proceed with the demo. So in any search engine, if you type Easy Test Maker, you will get this. Click on this. You have to move to this page. You will be moving here. You have to give your first name, last name. You have to sign up with your email ID. Create your username and password and select your plan. First we will choose free and then we will sign up. Now I'm already have a login. So I entered here. This is how the home page looks. Now I'm click welcome teacher. Click here to create your first test. So I'm clicking here. Here you have to enter the test name. You can enter your test name. Let me have test 1. Create test. So you can see here, click this question to add your questions. Once you click here, there are the options available. Let me choose multiple choice. Here you have to type your question. Let me type a question. So after giving the question, you can give the options here. Now we have to choose the correct option. If you want to have multiple option, you can just click this and you can choose more options here. If you want to add option also, you can click this. This is the point value. It's from 1 point to 99 point. You can select as you wish. Then you can give OK. If you want to add another question, you can choose whether you can go for multiple choice or any other from this option. I will go for a true or false. Now we have to type the question here. So you have to choose which is the correct answer. You can, if you want, you can increase the point value. Let me have 2 for this question and you click OK. Now let me go for a short answer. Type the question here. So in short answer, you have to correct the answers. For remaining multiple choice and filling the blanks, it is automatic evaluation. For short answers, you have to correct the answers. So you can give the marks. So I want to give 2 marks for this. If you want to write the answer, you can write it here. Then you have to click OK. So now I will choose filling the blanks. You can read it here. Surround your filling the blank word with brackets. So whichever word you have to leave it blank, you have to fill with a bracket. So let me go for this. It will be like the dash fox jumped over the dash. So the point may be 2 here. Okay. So I'm going for return to test. Now we can see here. This is the first question, second question, third question, fourth question. If you want to insert few more questions, you can just give insert questions and we can proceed with that. If you want to edit the options or you want to edit the point, you can use this edit option to do that. Now that's all. We have created all the questions. Now we have to publish this. Here you can give the range over which the test is valid. This access code you have to give to the students to write this test. These options are available for the Plus and Premium plan. So as of now, we can leave this. Now after doing this, I will say publish. Now we can see here, there is a test link here. You have to give this test link to the students and you have to give this access code. So I'm copying this test link. This is what the students will see. You have to give the name. You have to give the access code here. Then the student can start test. So if something goes wrong, the students can use this written code to come to the test. So they have to make a note of this written code. Click next. This is the first question. So I'm clicking the answer. Next. So for this answer, I'm giving false. Next. So there is some colors we can give. I'm giving just one color. I'm giving next. So I'm giving some answers. Next. So now once you have finished, you can see we can click finish. If you have any doubt, you can click here. You can go back. You can modify. You can see the answers here. If you want to modify, you can do modify. And if not, you can click finish. Your selected answer cannot be changed once finished. Yes. Okay. Now this is how the students will complete the exam. Now we will go to the teacher part. Now click this test. You can see here online open. Click this and click results. You can see here one student completed the test. So the mark out of 7 points, the student score 1 point and one question to grade. What is that? Is the short answer. So short answer, you have to grade the short answer. Name some colors. They have given the answer is red, green and blue. So here you can select. If you click this, the whole point will be graded. If you click this, it is half point. And if you click that is wrong. Okay. So I'm giving 1 point for that. At this point you can choose as you can make it half or it is full marks and it is no marks. If you want, you can edit here also. And you can save that. Okay, here you can view the marks scored by each student. Okay, Thus, you can have a test, 25 test limit is there. You can store 25 results. Now we will see what are the advanced features have. We will go to the home page of this. Now these are all the free versions. If you go for plus version, you can export the results to the PDF and Word. There is unlimited test you can have, and you can have 250 results stored at one time. If you go for this premium version, we have much more options. You can have some time limits for the online test. So you can send the results to the student also, and you can have 2500 results stored at one time. Okay. Thank you for listening to this video. Thank you.